In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add logos to Google Forms. Whether you want to brand your form for your business, make your survey look more professional, or you simply want everything to match your theme, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to Google Forms. You can choose a ready-made template if you prefer, or you can start fresh by clicking on blank for this example. I'm using a brand new form so you can see the process from the beginning. Now, let's say you want to add a company logo, and for this tutorial, I'll be using the Amazon logo just as an example. Once your form is open, look at the top right corner and click on the Customize Theme icon. It looks like a little paint palette. This is where Google Forms lets you control colors, fonts, background styles, and of course, the header section where your logo will go. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, under the header section, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Go ahead and click on it. Google Forms will open a new window where you can pick from its built-in gallery, browse your Google Photos, or upload an image from your device. Since we're adding a custom logo, click on Upload, and then select the logo file from your computer in this video. I'm using the Amazon logo just as an example. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your logo image is clear, high quality, and centered. Google Forms automatically crops wide images, so a horizontal logo often fits better. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent your logo from looking stretched or cut off. Once you upload the file, Google Forms will automatically place it as your header background. You'll see your form instantly update with your new branded look. You can also scroll down in the theme panel and change the background color, or adjust the font style to match your logo. This helps your form look professional and consistent. After you're happy with the design, preview your form using the eye icon at the top. This lets you see exactly what your form will look like to others. If anything needs adjusting, just go back to Customize Theme and tweak the colors or upload a different version of your logo. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add logos to your Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?